These are the GreenPlax shoes from CCILU. These shoes are designed with a 3-in-1 concept to save the seas. Made from repurposed ocean bottles and discarded fish scales, the inner shoes are crafted from the fish scales, which contain collagen, which helps to moisturize the skin and can even be worn on their own with a slip-proof sole. On the other hand, the outer shell is made from recycled bottles, ensuring they are odor-free, quick-drying, waterproof, and incredibly comfortable. Overall, it's UV resistant, lightweight, odor resistant, antibacterial, moisture wicking, machine washable, and buoyant shoes. Yes, these shoes are part of the brand's ongoing initiative to produce eco-friendly footwear, contributing to the sea-saving movement. All right, we got the basic information about these GreenPlax shoes. Let's go ahead and try them on and see if they are as comfortable as they claim and why they are 3-in-1 shoes. So let's get down to the business with comfortability. Initially, it felt very snug, like I think I may have to size up. However, after walking with these shoes for a couple hours outside, it adjusted to my comfort. Now, let's refer back to 3-in-1 concept shoes, and I'm gonna show you guys why I already love the shoes so much. First, with the insole, you can wear the shoes casually, okay? Are you ready for this one? Now, you can simply take this inner shoe part and wear this outer shell if you're planning to get your feet wet, because this will become a waterproof shoe. Oh, amazing feature. I'm not done yet, because this inner shoes right here could be worn as your slipper inside your house. OMG. That's freaking amazing if you're gonna ask me. So the GreenPlax shoes, you could wear it casually, outdoor or any water activity, and wear the inner shoes as your slippers inside. I am blown with the design, if I'm being honest. By the way, when it comes to sizing, I would suggest you pick your true to size shoe size, because even though you feel a bit snug at the beginning, it will stretch out eventually and adjust to your own comfort. So I'm size 10 and picked these bad boys up in size 10. Okay, now let's talk about the aesthetic part of the shoes. To be honest, it's not the best looking shoes out there, okay? I mean, I would not even consider these shoes as fashion shoes. However, function-wise, GreenPlax shoes is the winner. They are super comfortable. You could easily put them on and take them off, and easy to take the inner shoes and put them back in. So, are they worth buying them? Definitely worth. For about $79, the function of the 3-in-1 concept is unbeatable. Listen, this is not a sponsor, by the way, okay? I just feel like doing a quick review about this to help spread the word and help you guys out when it comes to buying decisions. So if you're the person that don't care about the look of your shoes, want a very comfortable shoes, and want shoes that could literally go everywhere except on construction site, the GreenPlax shoes are a must to add in your wardrobe. Well, folks, that's my quick review of the CCILU GreenPlax shoes. I hope this helps you out when it comes to buying decisions. Comment below and let me know. And as always, you stay safe, stay stylish. Y'all have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.